Riding in like, it reminded me like an 11 car. Like it just fucking stayed on top like a dialed 11
No, it's more
car.
like a 16. It's more like a 16 car.
Oh yeah.
It fucking bounced. It was pretty quick, but it was just bouncing the whole time.
Oh jeez. And I think I had a pee, so I was like, oh fuck.
But yeah, it was so much more violent back then than it is now. It's not even the same vehicle.
Because I remember you said that you needed to, because you said they were all the way.
The rear bypass tubes were all the way open, and the fronts were pretty closed. You know, it works decently, but it's once I finally like had a shock tuner actually start dialing in the suspension. Like I can turn tubes, that's fine. But he actually revalved them, I think twice now. And the first time was a huge improvement, and the second time was another decent little improvement. And now I've just messed with the tubes a little bit, and it's pretty damn good.